Good morning, it's August 20th, day 141. I've never done that before. And today we are doing a reroute. We have like 28 miles to Darrington, so not sure if we'll make it all the way, but ultimately it'll be some of this woods right here, some gravel road walking, probably some road walking, and the first goal is to get to Darrington, and then we'll go from there. Well, y'all, it's raining. Welcome to the west side of Washington. So I probably won't be filming much for the sake of keeping my phone safe from this here rain. Oh, right there. I'm also just happy that I am not high in elevation. It was supposed to rain the last 2 days and I was very lucky. The force that may be with me looked out for me for the last 2 days being on some sort of ridge. Now I'm pretty low in elevation, so I guess we're okay to have some rain. Okay, so I guess we walked like 4 miles on a nice, pretty path, and now it's gravel road time for a while. Hey, I prefer the gravel road over cement or any sort of crazy steep uphill. River Crossin. The rain has subsided. The rain has, oh my God, English. The rain has stopped. I mean, it hasn't really stopped. It's still drizzling, but I could take my jacket off and it's on the back and I have my cool tie back. I don't really know if this works, but it's better than nothing. So I guess our goal today is Darrington. Somewhere said there's a really nice Mexican restaurant, so she is speed walking. And her Tyvek looks like she's a freaking superhero. See if I can get a video of it. It's pretty amazing looking. So Gaia is a little bit strange. Somewhere has some strange calculations that she does. She goes with the whatever mileage Gaia does and then she multiplies it by 1 point something. I guess there's some sort of discrepancy. But right now, my phone shows 10 miles walked by 10:20. That's pretty good. 10 miles within 3.5 hours. But it's probably a little bit more because of that Gaia discrepancy. I thought from our trailhead, well, from our campsite to the Battle trailhead, it would be 12, and we're almost there. So I'm gonna just go with that. That we'll have hiked 12 miles as soon as we get to the Battle trailhead. English is so hard, y'all. Boom. 16 miles to maybe a Mexican restaurant, who knows? And it looks like it's a gravel road, which is awesome. We are about 1 mile from a picnic table, hopefully. It says picnic area, so we are in Washington. You'd hope there's picnic tables because, you know, it's raining all the time, so hopefully it has like a cover. I don't know. I have no idea how much we've hiked. Honestly, based off of what I understand, it should be 18 miles by the time we are at lunch. So that's pretty good, because it's not even 1 p.m. yet. but I think it might be less. I don't know. It'll be such an approximate thing from here on out until I get back on the PCT the last 2 days, I think. So it'll be pretty approximate. Oh, and then something sad happened too. Somewhere, a little critter bit through her tent last night, through the mesh. Those a-holes, I'm telling you. But then she has like a bear canister, and I guess the critter was like, I don't know, I guess he couldn't get to what he wanted. I had hung my bear bag, and you would think they'd try to do some sort of acrobatics to get to that. No, they instead were biting through her tent. Oh, it's just a pity, right? Also, how do you pronounce this word? Is it radiator or radiator? Come on, guys, tell me. Radiator or radiator? Oh, yay. We have a little picnic area. It is 1 o'clock. We had some lunch at this here spot. Right there. We've already hiked 17 and a half, 18 miles, and we only have 10 left to Darrington. And of course, it would be nice to just fly there, but we have to walk it on the gravel road. Definitely hard on the feet, but only 10 more miles, and then we'll eat something delicious. Okay, we're moving from gravel to paved, which means from semi-painful to really painful. That's a bad omen. Slow going, but it looks like we have 6 more miles. Hopefully, maybe 5.2, but let's just say it's 6.
And we got an even longer one ahead of us.
So far, the people on this highway are enjoying Mike Hart seltzer, some beer, and some Red Bull, but it's mostly the hard seltzer, which is very strange. I've seen like at least 20 cans. It's almost like they just had a luau or something. Look, there's another one. Mike Hart's. So, right there. They're just everywhere. Mike's Harder lemonade, not seltzer, but I'm seeing so many of them. Like, don't they drink something different? Seems the drink of this. There's another one right there. Everywhere. It's kind of weird, but okay. Okay. We must walk slower than 30 miles an hour. Too bad.
It's gonna be hard.
Yeah, it was gonna be so hard. That's the view behind us. And then some shrubs and road and more clouds and trees. We found this here rare contraption over there. It's called a sidewalk. Someone was very excited about it. I was just saying to somewhere, everybody's staring at us. And that's probably because we have backpacks, but most of all because we've got our cool Tyvek hanging off. They're not quite understanding what's going on. All right, we made it to the Mexican restaurant. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.